Imagine a place where the collective wisdom of the ancient world was gathered under one roof, a beacon that drew the greatest minds from Egypt, Greece, Persia, India, even as far as distant China. That place was the Library of Alexandria. Founded over 2,000 years ago on the sunlit shores of Egypt, the library wasn't just a building. It was a living engine of discovery, science, philosophy, and debate. At its peak, the Library of Alexandria may have held up to 500,000 scrolls. Some say every ship that docked in Alexandria had to surrender any texts it carried so they could be copied before the originals were returned. In these walls, Euclid built the foundations of geometry. Eratosthenes measured the Earth's circumference with remarkable accuracy, and legendary medical texts from Galen and Herophilus changed how we saw the human body forever. But the library wasn't only about storing knowledge. It revolutionized science by promoting experiment, observation, and open discussion, creating an atmosphere where young scholars challenged masters and new fields of study were forged daily. It became the dream destination for thinkers. Archimedes, Aristarchus, even visitors like Julius Caesar sought inspiration among these scrolls. But no library lasts forever. The library's destruction is shrouded in layers of mystery. Over centuries, it suffered a series of disasters. A fire during Julius Caesar's siege of Alexandria, later neglect under Roman rule, and religious and political upheavals that erased its legacy, scroll by scroll, memory by memory. Legend says a single night's blaze turned irreplaceable works to ash, but in truth, the loss unfolded over centuries. Too slow for panic, too quick for preservation. What did we lose? Works by scholars whose names are dust, records of vanished civilizations, treatises on science, mathematics, and philosophy. Entire worlds of thought gone in silence. Imagine if the plays of Sophocles survived in full, or if the lost books of the mathematician Hypatia could have shaped humanity's future, or what wisdom once penned by architects, engineers, astronomers, and lost forever within those vanished walls might have changed history. The library's fall is more than tragic. It's a cautionary tale about the fragility of knowledge, how entire civilizations can vanish, not only in flames, but in forgetting. Yet the idea of Alexandria lives on. Every time we seek to gather and share knowledge, every digital library or quest for understanding channels a spark of what Alexandria once was. The thirst for wisdom, the drive to preserve, learn, share. That's the true torch passed down from the Library of Alexandria. Its scrolls may be ashes, but its spirit endures in every book opened, question asked, and story told. So the next time you open a book, explore the unknown, or chase a new idea, remember, you're part of a line that goes all the way back to that legendary shore. Because even though the library is gone, the quest for knowledge never ends. And maybe, just maybe, history's greatest lost library is still shaping our world, one curious mind at a time. Where will your search for knowledge take you next?